question number 2. How do I install it? We get this question a lot. A lot of customers sometimes struggle with getting it to stick properly on their dash. The number one reason for that is not having the dash clean enough or prepared for adhesion on this. So it's usually dirt, sometimes Armor All, any type of grime or dirt on your dash, and this is not going to stick as good as it's supposed to, and it can fall off. If you prep the surface correctly, it'll stay. So I'll show you how to do that. So inside of the box, we're going to have our dash mount, and then we'll also have our little accessory bag that has our wipe in it. And if this is your if you don't have a really new dash or any type of grime or dirt on your car, I would recommend cleaning it first with some Windex or something that's maybe alcohol based. That's going to get all the grease, oil, dust, dirt off of your dash. So you're going to want to wipe this really, really good. Get it nice and clean. Clean, clean, clean. Just like if you're painting something. You don't just paint over dirt. You make sure you prep it, you sand it, you prime it, and then you paint. So consider this your prep, sand, and prime all in one. So, and all it is cleaning. So we're just gonna make sure it's nice and clean and nice and dry. It can't be too clean and can't be too dry. So surface nice and clean. And then a little bit about this 3M VHB. This is their 4941, which actually when you stick it onto a surface, it flows onto the surface. And that's why it needs some time to do that. So within about an hour, you're going to get 50% strength. Within 24 hours, you're going to get 90%. And it'll be fully bonded within 48 hours. So we don't recommend using this thing until at least 24 after you've installed it, just so you know that you're going to get the full adhesion and full strength, and it's going to last until you take it off. So we're just going to peel this back. And the other thing with this particular adhesive is it needs pressure. So we're going to add some pressure. We're going to I know where I want to put this thing right here. I'm going to push down firmly, and you want to push down for at least a minute, nice and firm. You kind of work it around if you want, kind of just really get that adhesive down there to stick. And we won't spend a whole minute on this for this video, but imagine that I just press this down for a minute, and you're going to get a really nice adhesion. And since I know that I've prepped this good and I've done a lot of these, I'll even show you just after a few seconds how strong it is. So here's a iPhone 13 Pro Max, and it sticks no problem. So, but I don't recommend doing that for the everyday customer. Just be patient, wait the 24 hours, and this thing's gonna stay on there as long as you own the car.